Swap Ethereum to Sol on Phantom Wallet on PC. In today's video, I will show you how to swap Ethereum to Sol on Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, click on swap. And as you can see, the first coin that you want is the Ethereum. Now, as you can see, I can't find it. But the right way is to go back and click on search here. Now search for the Ethereum. As you can see here, now tap on it and click on it. Now click on swap. As you can see, I want to make it from the top. I will click on the swap. Now as you can see, the Ethereum is the top. Now from here, I will select Solana. As you can see, now I can swap my Ethereum to Solana easy and for the right way. So this is it will show you how much you will receive Solana. Now this is the providers that you can select one of them, and now as you can see, this is the price. And after if you are ready to go, click on swap, and you can now swap USD to Solana. You can swap Ethereum to Sol on Phantom Wallet on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.